Solopreneur life, this or
or
that. 5 a.m. grind versus slow mornings.
5 a.m. grind.
Why?
Yeah. Eat that frog. You do the difficult task in the morning.
Yep. Hire help versus do it all yourself.
Hire help. Delegate. You have to use your money to help some time.
I agree. Niche down versus stay flexible.
Stay flexible.
Why?
In the changing market, you cannot stick to the thing that you think will work. You have to be flexible what the market needs.
Passion project versus pays the bills.
But for me, passion project.
Okay. Why?
Again, different to each his own, but passion, can sustain you. And eventually, the hope, at the end of the tunnel,
There's another tunnel.
Yeah, it's another tunnel that pays the bill.
Yeah, there you go. I like that.
Yeah.
Large premium versus volume play.
Initially, my strategy
Defensive. Sagutin
was...
mo
Yeah,
nga.
sorry. The challenge was, you want to get business, right?
Yep.
But, of course, the money is servicing the people who can afford.
Burnout hustle versus sustainable pace.
Sustainable pace. That's
Why?
what I know. Yeah, because business is it's a marathon, not a sprint.
I agree. Quit the 9 to 5 versus build on the side first.
Build on the side first. That's what I did, and that's a more responsible thing to do. Especially when you have family.
Amen. Coffee shop versus home office.
Home office, definitely.
All right. Why?
Practical. You don't have any excuses to work. Because,
It's right there.
Yeah.
Yeah, same. Plan everything versus just start.
Plan strategically, not everything. There should be flexibility, but start with a plan. If you
Okay.
fail to plan, then you're planning to
Fail.
let you plan. All right.
That's it.